He just let out two go. There he goes again. He just gobbled. So maybe today be a different day. Cross your fingers, guys. We need it. I think it is. Do you think it's two? Sounded like it was on the ground then, didn't it? She flew all the way out to the point. I think she's down. I seen her fly. She flew all the way out to the point. He's down, ain't he? I hear him drumming, I think. That's him. Whenever you're ready. Kill him. Yes! Yes! Dead bird. Alright, there he is, baby. Right off the roost. Right off the roost. So we got his Illinois bird.
We've been chasing this one for, we called him the insurance bird. And Zach, he's been kind of showing us around different spots, different WMAs, different sections of this core ground that we can hunt. And he said every day this bird has been out in the fields. And for sure enough, every time we drove by, we seen him. So we kind of called him our insurance bird. Something that we could count on, you know. And once Zach left, he had other obligations to go do, and Cooper already killed his bird, so we came in here yesterday and sat, and we heard him drumming for, man, 30 minutes. And Slade finally said, "Do you hear something?" And it's like, "Yeah, I think I hear him drumming." And a couple hens came out in the same field that we were in, and slipped back into the woods, and he followed them, and we never got shot, so we sat till 12:30 and didn't see him since. And we came in here, sat on the other side of the field where he went to the woods, and there he was. He came right in like you dream about. And Slade made one fly down call, kiki call, and another hen pitched out on the field, and I think that's all he needed. So he just came in, came in like a string like he did yesterday, and we were just happened to be sitting on the right side of the field this time. So here he is, and Illinois down, and he's a good one. NFO, baby.
NFO, 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 NFO.
Here we go, Illinois spring wild turkey permit draw, wrapping my very first bird. Leg tag. There we go. He's tagged up. He's legal. Slade's new homemade turkey toad on there. That could be just roasting. I wouldn't think of it. Around the marsh, or they would have to be roasting like a hens on.
One of them was roosted here. I think the other one was roosted when we go out, that point that comes out. I think he was roosted at the base of it. But I don't know, he's probably roosted in there by that hen. I figure he was roosted about 50 yards this way of the hen. And she was roosted kind of catty corner from us. And he was another 50 behind her. He was on up in that point. I'm pretty sure. But that other one, I think it's the one you killed. The one you killed was roosted right in here. Well, it was close, wasn't it? Glad we come in a different way. We walked right under these suckers yesterday. They were roosted in the same spot too, because they came from the same direction.